Stop staring at your phone in the coffee room. Start making friends instead with these easy tips. Sound of coffee pouring. Narrator: meet Alex, the new guy. And Jamie, the office social butterfly. Alex: hey, do you know if this coffee is any good? Jamie: it's as good as it gets around here. I'm Jamie, by the way. Narrator: see? Start with a simple question. Alex: nice to meet you, Jamie. Any tips for surviving my first week? Jamie: oh, definitely. Always bring donuts on Fridays. Narrator: humor works wonders. Alex: thanks for the tip. So, how long have you been here? Jamie: feels like forever. Wow, you're old. Ha ha ha. But seriously, 2 years. Narrator: and just like that, Alex has a new friend.